What's going on, YouTube and cryptocurrency family? My name is Harry and I'm the Crypto Vet. Thank you for tuning back in. I really appreciate all the support. If you haven't already, please check me out on Twitch where I'm streaming live. I just got affiliate now, so that means that you may have to watch an ad. I'm sorry about that, but thank you so much for coming to check it out. I do live trading on there. Lately it's been mostly games just because not many people have been asking me questions about crypto, so please come in there, ask me about crypto, and we will change the stream up to where it's more this, learning charts and all that, and all the links are in the description below. If you haven't already, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out. So I'm trying to bring this content to you more frequently, more consistently, and I just need to know that you guys actually want it. So please hit that stuff for me. But let's get started on CoinMarketCap. Right now, Bitcoin is doing crazy things. It's at 13.7 right now. Ethereum came from 380 up to 410, and then we got XRP here above 25 cents again, waiting for something. I'm not sure what the hell it's waiting for, but it's technicals are saying it's going to go up, and maybe it's suppressed. I don't know. Chainlink is also a big gainer here. I will probably take a little bit of profits just to cancel out, to just dollar cost average in a little bit better. So, but we'll go over that stuff as we go. Let's see what we're doing here. The biggest gainer is Flexicoin. Flexicoin is something kind of similar to XRP. It's on, I believe it's an ERC20 token, but used for quick payments and settlement. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. Currently up 252%. Not sure if this is just a launch spike or what the deal is on that. And then the biggest losers, not much. We only have ABBC coin and Cybervein. Not familiar with these two projects, but let's go ahead and check something out that's really cool. And you guys probably already know this, but if you haven't, on Sunday we closed a weekly candle, the highest we have ever closed it, at around, what was it, at 13,000. Last time we did that was back in January of 2018, and it was a bearish candle. So the last time we had a bullish candle close this high was back in January here. Beginning of January. So this is very, very, very bullish news. If we come in on these huge symmetrical triangles that we've been playing with now for years, we can see that we broke out of this triangle, confirmed at 13,000, and now we are going back up. So let's zoom in a little bit. So right now we're on the 4-hourly chart here. If you're in the Discord, you know that I said be careful that as soon as we hit the top of this line here, we could see lots of shorts get placed, lots of selling pressure, and just as fast as we go up, we could go down. However, there's another scenario that can play out. We are now at the top of this ascending channel that, if we zoom out, started at the beginning of this rally back here. So we rode the top of this last time. We got rejected here, came down, did our sideways consolidation, found another rejection. However, it still was a higher high, right? As we came back down, fell below the moving average, we rode the bottom of this channel as resistance, very little as support, more resistance. We came back above it. We're above all the moving averages. We're up here, and if you look on this big empty spot here, this is the VPVR showing that we have very, very little volume to back us going up. So there's, or in any way, not just going up or down. That's just right now, it could be very, very volatile. We could go screaming up to 15,000, maybe a new all-time high if there's some news. There's lots of, I think Singapore Bank is now offering Bitcoin, and there's so much good news going on, but there's still that little bit of fear and uncertainty and doubt, and that fear is sitting down here at 9,000 where we have that CME gap, right? Does it have to fill? It has to fill only if people want it to fill, right? Because this is people trading, people buying. So could we go back down to that? Very, very, very likely. A 40% move right now, which happens in Bitcoin all the time, would put us, a 30% move right now would put us down to the CME gap. And if anybody's watched Bitcoin before, whoops, let me drop that and stop. We know that we can make moves that are that big. Like let's say right here to the top, this was a 29% move in about a week and a half, right? So just as quickly as we go up, we can go down. And just to keep in mind, we are now at the top of this, what happened last time. So I personally don't want to enter a short right now just because we're in new territory. So shorts to me are going to be risky, and I feel like you could easily you could lose your money. But longs right now are also very risky because we're in uncharted territory. So personally right now, I'm still dollar cost averaging. I'm still collecting more no matter what the price is just to accumulate some. I'm taking profits on other coins that I have that I'm definitely in profits that are going up alongside it or running stable right now, because if I take profits now, Bitcoin goes crazy, money will leave the altcoins, their price usually gets suppressed a little bit. When that goes up, I can take profit on Bitcoin, buy some more of the little coins when Bitcoin goes down, you know, and just ride it either way. So right now, we do have very, very good support down here at 12,000, which is now our moving average has crossed above it for the daily exponential. Looking at our volume here, we did have a volume backed breakout here, but still not enough volume for me to go, yeah, we're going to keep going. The nice thing is we could potentially be finding support above the $13,600 point. However, the big resistance is still right here at about 13,750, right at 13,800. So I would like to see personally some sideways trading right here and build us a nice solid, like maybe daily candle above this line. Specifically a 2-day candle would be even better. And then from there, go up some more. However, that's not usually what happens. So in my opinion, I think we're going to sit up here for just a little bit. We'll get rejected, hopefully find support on something, say, like this trend line. All right, and continue it out, and then go on and carry forward. If this doesn't happen, it's still very likely that we'll drop this, either find support on the 50% of this ascending channel or wherever this moving average is down here. And that would be my more realistic scenario. You know, this is the most bullish. Of course, we could see huge rejection here, lots of sell pressure because, you know, people are in very good profits now. And then subsequently, if too many people do that, we just come all the way down. But look at all this support. You see all these lines I've drawn here. These are places where we have good support. Hi, Sophie. Thank you for scratching my leg. We have really, really good support here. All here. Look at all the volume we have here. So, you know, it's very unlikely that we will drop past this very quickly. So we'll just kind of have to wait and see what happens. Moving over to Ethereum. Ethereum is again on another little uptrend. We bounced exactly on the moving average here. I really wish I would have put in a long there. The only reason I did not is I'm just trying to accumulate as much Ethereum as possible. So I just don't like risking it because trading is risky and you can easily lose it. So if we do come back down for another bounce, I may potentially come in for a long if we test this trend line here. But we're going to have to stay and see. And I put this yellow line here. This is the $400 mark, big even. And if you continued it all the way out, you can see it was good resistance here and it's finding support there. For XRP, just a quick look on the daily. We are riding up this ascending channel. We're above both moving averages. Nothing is saying that we shouldn't go up to potentially 27, 28 cents. So if I can get a nice buy-in back down here right around 25, I will probably enter in for a long. And you can see that here on the hourly. We're coming back above that and finding good support. So a good logical place would be for us to continue up here. The problem is we have a lot of traded volume, so we could just stay sideways here. But that's going to do it for today. I hope you found some good info on this. So I'm going to be watching this a lot more closely here, posting my charts as I see them into the Discord. So again, those links are down below. If you're not subscribed and if you made it this far in the video, please like the video. Come on, you at least listened for like 8 or 9 minutes. You must have learned something, right? But thank you guys for everything, and I will be streaming on Twitch later. She is going to give me a haircut, so we're going to see how that goes. But we're going to do that on stream, so catch you guys in the next video.